Hi, I'm Sungmin, and can you see my hair? Whew, I today I worked really hard to achieve my goal, and tomorrow I have to go work too. But these days I'm really happy. Um, Physically my body is so exhausted, but my my mindset is going to be healthy because the reason is um I do what I really want, and I want to achieve my goal. So English study is necessary, and I this year I graduated. I'm majoring robotics engineering and mechanical engineering, but now I'm doing a job, and my job is not related with my major. That's because when I graduated my university, I thought what I learned at university, and I don't know what I really want to do, mm, and that at that time I started to consider what I have to do and what I really want to do. So these days, I my challenge is my work. So today I worked really hard, and yeah, today I got punished by my supervisors so much, but I'm okay. I must. I will do in my best, and I must must achieve my goal. So have a nice day, and I hope you guys also find what what you guys really want. So life is not forever, not permanent. So you should do what you really want. So thank you.